Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I'm going to show you a couple of things that I've purchased. First of all, I want to show you this. I bought this ages ago, right? Ages, and I say ages, probably a few months ago now. Up at the Can Assist thing that we have up there, you know, where they sell things for nothing. More or less, you get a big bag of books for $3, so I wouldn't have paid much for this. And this has got a whole heap of Disney stories, like from the little golden books. See? Even that there's really cool, isn't it? I'm going to go out a bit further so you can see what I'm doing. Maybe you can see that now. Isn't this awesome? And it's got all these beautiful pictures in it. Look, there's a pokey little puppy. Now, I actually have two of these golden books of the pokey little puppy. Good. Our daughter had when she was little. So I've got all these pictures of him. Look at this. Isn't this is just so good. I don't know what to say of it. Isn't it awesome? And then this one here is called The Animals of Farmer Jones. So I haven't actually got a book for that. This is Toodle. I've got the Toodle one, so I can use that to... I'm thinking about trying to do a journal. I don't know if I can achieve it or not. Like with these things in it, I'm thinking about it. So there's all that extra that you can use if you're going to do the book. See, isn't this awesome? And then I've got what was this called? This one. I don't think there's any pages missing, but I don't think this is about a bear. Now this has got a kid. I don't know. It could be the same story. Shouldn't be any pages. I might have took out one because I'm trying to do a Fly With Me one. The Scuffy Tugboat. I don't know if I've got that. Beautiful pictures. And I didn't realise, and I should have, probably because I'm not really taking that much notice sometimes. This is a Saggy Baggy Elephant. I remember reading that to our kids too. And that different people illustrate these pictures until Paula Berta told us about it the other day. Some of them, these are really pretty, aren't they? I mean, some of them are done really nice, and well, they're all done good, but they are by different people sometimes. You can understand what I'm trying to say. So this is absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? Look at it. The new baby. I think I have the book for that too. The what do you call it? The little golden book for that. I don't know about Little Pee-wee if I've got this one or not. This is Busy Timmy, and I don't know if I've got that, but that is really nice. All them pictures, isn't it? There's more. Look, look at it. I'm thinking I might put these in something and send somebody something. Whether I do a giveaway or something, I don't know. If I do a giveaway or... I fiddle around a fair bit and never get around to anything. I'm shocking like that. It takes me a while to get things done. Kids have scribbled in a bit of this, but that doesn't matter. Look at these bunny rabbits. Look at them having a little bit of a... Are they having a dance? It might be. Holding hands. You mightn't be able to see that. Something I'm showing you. No, you can't see it. Oh dear. I'm going to put the camera back a bit, Sonia. That might be the idea. I'll be loosen it first. I'll end up with a broken tripod and camera. I don't have anything. There's me. You don't want that. You want to see me. Does that make a difference? Probably not. Can't I do this in the right place? There we go. Anyway, if I lift it up, you can't see it. So there's a bunny rabbits. All sorts of different ones. Little piglets. Really nice pictures, isn't there? All beautiful pictures. Mouses and pussycats and everything. And then there's all these ones here on the back. Beautiful flowers on that one. I've only got one page of that. I think must have got lost one of the pages because somebody's glued it all back together good. These are really pretty, aren't they? Look at it. So then obviously the people up the road are going somewhere, they're beeping on at their family. These are nice, aren't they? Look at them. There's just too much in there for me to use, isn't there? Okay, I might have to send somebody a surprise happy mail or something, hey? Oh dear, this is nice. Anyway, so that was a really good find, I thought. I thought that was a really good find for me. So I've had it under the table. No, I've had it in the cupboard and forgot all about it. Come home, put it away and didn't forgot I even had it till the other day. I've seen it in there. I thought, I wonder what that is. Now, also, I have been on Etsy again, but see, I don't know when because these things just take ages to get delivered. And I bought sticky notes because I want to use them. Here they are, because I've already used a couple this morning, I think. Now, look at this. In this curl, there's a tiny little check thing. They're only small, and you don't want to use them as a sticky note. You can use the whole thing and put it onto a piece of card, put the decoration across the top of your junk journals or whatever. There's one of their little tiny guest check things. There is a fair few in each one. So I wonder if it says sticky notes, vintage paperworks. It's not right. It's not really in. Some of it's in English, but this is on AliExpress, and they cost about. They cost about $1 something, or you know, not very much at all. I got 3 packets of different sorts of ones. Really nice they are. I like them. They're different, aren't they? So if you're on AliExpress, there's so much stuff on there. I sit there sometimes for ages and think, oh dear, you know, I do sometimes buy things. Well, I do, but I sort of haven't. I don't think I've bought anything for a while. It takes a long time for it to get to you. Anyway, I was going to do a craft with me, but oh, I also went and bought some. Oh yes, I better tell you about this. I've been buying clothing again because I like to tear it apart. Bought this really neat top and took it apart. So I've got this beautiful. This is a sleeve. You can see that there. I might have to zoom back in a bit. That's it. There you go. Look, and isn't the colour gorgeous? And this is down the front. So there's all them on the buttons. This is going to go in a journal or something, but I'm thinking I might have to replace the buttons with something flat because they'll be too bulky. And then I've got this here too. This is going to go on the side of a journal, on the edge of the page. And then either you can hang something off that or just have it for the decoration of the thing. Okay? So that's that bit. And then there was this piece here that was down maybe around the collar, might be. So I got that off there. The whole thing was lace. It's still here somewhere. Might be out in the lounge room actually. This one here was off a little kid's dress. And I've been fiddling around making little bits and pieces. I've just threaded little tiny beads onto this. You know, just for fun. I was just fiddling around out there, you know, trying to come up with the different sorts of ideas. Because, you know, that'd look really good going across on your page on your book, wouldn't it? Or hanging as a dangle if you put a few together in different colours or whatever. That'll look really cool, wouldn't it? See, they make necklaces like that, but you can use just these pony beads because they'll work. I made some tiny little flower. This is the inside of the skirt, and it's very, very thin, so it's really good to work with. Very beautiful. It's probably homespun, I'd say. So, and then the outside was this, and it was floral, and like these colours here that are on there. So I, you know, collected up a bits and pieces off of that. Now, where did I put the bag that I bought in with them in? That's what I want to know. I didn't put, oh, hang on, here it is. So I've got, that is what I'm showing you, the blue thing. This is the little dress. Cost me $3 for those, and I'm really pleased with them because that's not a lot of money to pay for the material. I can't buy material here now. If I wanted a bit more material for something, I can't buy any, so that is that there. Now, what else have I got today? to show you. Oh, okay. Well, I also had this. You're probably sick of the look of this now because I had a find. Me and a friend was in there, and I bought this one too, this dress, because I do love the yellow. It's not showing up nowhere near as bright, but I've got all that there for making flowers, and this here's for making flowers, whatever. And then I've got one of those invisible zippers, so I can use it in the journals, like I did with my gypsy book. Okay, put the invisible zipper on the page, and it makes a good hidey thing. Now, I bought these cards. They're just adding up cards. They cost me $1. I've got this here. And I've got that at another shop, I think. I've got a belt. And I've got a bag of lace here, but I'm not going to put that up there today because I'm just not going to. It'll take me too long. I've got some lace, okay. So this is a belt, and it cost me $1, and it's going to go around one of my journals. I'm sure it will. It's beautiful, isn't it? Really nice pink colour, and it'll go around one of my journals. I don't know how. I don't think I've been on here very long this time. This here I bought at the other shop. Isn't this good? Look at that. Beautiful piece of shawlish sort of scarfy thingy. It is. Isn't that nice? It's beautiful. So I got that for $1. That was a really good find. These were the flowers that came off the dress. The yellow dress, but I don't know if I was that too impressed with them. But you know what? I could make some myself. I'll fix them up. I bought a bracelet for $1, and because it had these on it. Now these have got holes. The bracelet had holes, see, so you can pull it through there. Now I'm thinking, if I'm not liking this, I'm going to change it. I want the idea of the threaded through. They're all the same shape, which was another thing that I was quite keen on, and plus they're flat. So that's all the things that I looked at in it, because if I want to stick it on something, you know, that's going to work for me, isn't it? Because they're nice and flat. If I want to string it on something, that'll work too, you know, so because it's got the holes in it. I can paint it or rub it back and paint it, leave it like it is. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. I just thought, well, these are really interesting. I might have a go at doing something with them. Now, I'm just going to show you what I do with my... why didn't I bring the pliers in with me? I was going to. Oh dear, I probably showed you this before anyway, but I buy the earrings, right, because I do like to buy the earrings. And the post at the back, why didn't I bring that thing? I don't believe this. I probably thought I had some here, and I really think I should have done, because I was sure I left a pair in here. I hope you might have brought them out to me, because I don't remember moving them. But then again, you know what, I don't what I did half hour ago either, sometimes. Right, okay, well look, we'll go to, there's usually a piece sticking out the back, right, that's it there. I got the earring, and I turned that one over, and that you can hang on something. But I also flattened this piece right down. If you can see what I'm trying to show you, it's the pointy bit, So if you got any, you know, if you want to buy earrings, because look, this is really good, little hanging down one, right? Really good little dangly down earring. And the pointy bit out the back, I flattened it down as far as I could, made sure there was no gaps. I can now thread something through there and hang it onto something, okay? So that's what I do if I've got anything that... Plus, I will use this as a guide if I want to make something, you know, in that same sort of way. This one I've only just turned over like that, but I'm thinking if I use it on a... If you use it with fabric, that's okay, because it's bulky, but if you put it into a journal, you'd want it down flat. So that's how I use those, all right? So I can put that into something if I need be. Okay, so that's about all for today. So thank you very much for watching, everybody, and I will talk to you later. I haven't showed you a thing as to way of crafting, but I'm really tired now. I'm really tired now. I do get tired about this time of day, you know. It's starting to, must be getting old. I've been up since 6:30. But if you look at it like this, before daylight saving, this would have been 5:30 when I got up. And it wasn't even, it was only just daylight, you know. That's just not, some people can get up early. I'm not a big fan of it. But if I sleep through the day, I mightn't be able to sleep tonight. But anyway, so thank you everybody for watching, and we'll talk to you later, and I hope you all have a good day. Bye-bye.